Cause I'm about to move into an apartment right now. Get up out my business. How about that? Bob the Builder, handy mandy, whatever you gotta do. You don't live here, so you don't gotta worry about it. Cause no, I'm at home. What is pippity poppin' YouTube? Katrina Galina here, and I'm back with another video. If you're new to my channel, hey cousins, subscribe. If you're not new, welcome back. So guys, just in case you didn't look at the title of this video, I don't know why you would do that. Maybe you just love me so much you'll watch whatever I post in that case. But regardless, what we're doing in this video is a maintenance vlog because Valentine's Day is coming up. We're doing a maintenance vlog. This hair, horrendous. These nails, unacceptable. No lashes on. What's happening? Toes needing to be done. So we gotta get this process started. What I'm about to do right now is wash and braid my hair down. I don't know if I'm gonna show that on camera because sometimes when I be doing that stuff, like, it's just so, what's that word? Laborious. It's so laborious. It's a lot of freaking work is what I'm trying to say. And nobody want to be sitting on camera doing a lot of freaking work. Like, put me on the TV. That's it. I will get to work. But yeah, y'all, we just need to go ahead and get this stuff under control. So I'm about to go in there, shower, wash, and braid down my hair. And yeah. Okay, y'all, so this was Valentine's Day prep, but quickly it turned into something else. Quickly. I'm coming back to y'all hair braided down and all that good stuff. Cause I'm about to move into an apartment right now.
Hold on, that's too fast, mama.
Y'all, like literally right now. Y'all, literally right now. I'm on the way. I have to go get this freaking money order. I gotta go get this money order. And then I gotta head to my home. I gotta head to my home, Bookie. So, yeah, we on the way to Kroger right now. It's so crazy what a turn this vlog has taken. Like, it's so crazy. It's been one clip and immediately on to something new. Like, y'all, that's how my life be every single time. As soon as I start to do one thing, here come 10 other things. Like, Jesus. And then it's pouring down raining, y'all. But yeah, I am on the way to Kroger because, babe, I gotta get that money on a cashier's check or a money order. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all when I am at Kroger. Hey y'all, I'm at Kroger. Hello. Hey y'all, so after some trials and tribulations, we are here. Shake it, shake it. Okay, no, we are here, y'all. Like, I'm at home. What's tea? I'm not coming out the house no more. But yeah, y'all, I'm about to give y'all an empty apartment tour. And yeah, we're gonna get straight into moving this stuff up here because, Jesus. Actually, y'all, I need to do this rental agreement. Not rental agreement. Y'all, I need to register the vehicle so we'll be able to park. Okay guys, empty apartment tour is going up. Here we have the front door. Yeah. I just brought some stuff up, y'all, cause I'm in here by myself right now, so I just brought what I could up. The tea right there. Hold on. What are we talking about? Y'all know I hate when the washer and dryer is in the kitchen, but I appreciate this because it got a door, you know? It's our little secret. Okay guys, going forward. Okay, cabinet space. I love how tall these are. Okay. Y'all barely know how to work a dishwasher, so put a tutorial in the comments at this point. Okay. I had some bottles of water that I was gonna put it up for us because I just knew he was gonna be thirsty by now. Okay. They said we be cleaning. I mean, he gonna be reaching up there. Y'all, Mari might not like that backsplash. He always talking about it, but yeah, we're gonna go over here first. This is where Mari room is. I don't know what he's gonna do with this, y'all, because this is just a closet in the hall, but you know, this is part of the hall. He said he wanted to put the towels and stuff in there. Oh, that's cute. Y'all, this tub's so thick and deep. Cute lights. Now on to his room. Can't be leaving the lights on in here, y'all. I pay for this. Oh, not the silver bag came on. Okay. Man, y'all know where we going. Oh, that's gonna have to go. 65. No. Yeah. Bathroom. Stop playing. Bubble bath. Bubble bath. Okay. Is this not giving y'all? If it's not, I don't know what to tell you, boo. I guess I could just tell you that you don't live here, so you don't gotta worry about it. Also, guys, this is not air freshener. This is Pine Sol and water. If y'all can hear that in the background, that's my washing machine. My washing machine. Mine. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna finish wiping off this counter, move to these. Y'all really don't want to see all that, do y'all? It already took 8 minutes to do that. Hey y'all, Amari's here doing his handyman work already. West side, okay. We just brought in a whole bunch of stuff. This is Amari's second time, third, fourth. It's only been a couple times that he's been in this apartment, but it was to bring up stuff. Y'all, this is what we look like in the room because I just washed that stuff right there. We was just sitting down and eating some pizza because your girl has not eaten at all today. At freaking all, y'all. Not once. So when I picked Amari up from work, guess what the freak we did? Got some pizza and some wings. Cause no, you got here where the light is bright. But yeah, we got some pizza and some wings because your girl was literally starving. I'm not gonna say literally, okay. Relax. But I was pretty hungry, y'all. Like, I was hungry as freak. I did not eat today until 9 o'clock. Like, I understand I'm a grown-up, but do y'all be out here not eating until 9 o'clock? Praying for you. Y'all, it's one more thing that needs to be washed. My last blanket. I just realized most of it really is because I got a closet and a bathroom in there.
That bitch sounds expensive as fuck, but it's just
It's cooler. My lunch? No, it's in the room. But yeah, y'all, Amari's moving the car, so I'm about to bring some of this stuff into my room because all of this stuff is mine. We haven't been to Amari's house to get his stuff yet. So I gotta go ahead and start getting rid of some of this stuff. Not necessarily getting rid of it, but putting it where it needs to go. Really. Hey y'all, so currently it's 5:03 p.m. AM. It's 5:03 in the freaking morning. And y'all, I just feel so nervous to be raising my voice. Like, this ain't my house or something. This is my house. No, but y'all, it's 5:04 now. I just wanted to get on here because I'm up as freak. Like, I'm very up. I've been trying to go back to sleep, but it's just not happening. So why not be freaking productive? I want another toothbrush because I just don't want my old one. But I put hand soap, shower curtains. I want the shower curtain off of Amazon, so that's why I don't already have it. But we need shower liners, a broom, a dustpan, a mop, a vacuum, some dish soap, and some freaking Wi-Fi. We're just gonna get ready and start getting this stuff together. Look at this. Stuff is everywhere. Stuff is literally everywhere but where it's supposed to be at. I just had them shoes on, actually. It's the crazy part about it. And then y'all, my mom gave me these house shoes. She got me two, one in pink and one in silver. And I'm gonna put these silver ones on because I just feel like it matches my PJs so much better. And it's not even necessarily PJs, but it's gonna give. Let me show y'all what I got on. Yeah. But yeah, y'all, let's start getting this stuff together because no freaking way. I actually really want to put my tripod up. There we go, y'all. This thing get tall too. Love that. Y'all, why have I been looking for my wallet for months? I've got a new ID already. Okay, y'all, so now that I found my wallet and moved everything into my room, as y'all can see, there's nothing really left out here. This TV, I don't know which room we're gonna put it in or if we're even gonna keep it at all. That's going in the trash. That's the little windshield cover thing to block the sun, but I only have one. So I just don't even need to have it at this point. I just need a brand new one. So I'm gonna wash my last load of clothes and then go in the room and start seeing what I can do because I don't have my hangers with me, so I can't do my closet. But yeah, I'm gonna wash my last set of clothes. I'm gonna go in my room, organize that stuff up a little bit, and then I think I might be going back to sleep. I don't freaking know. I hope so. I've been trying to go back to sleep this whole time. Oh, y'all, remind me to add bleach to the list. We will need some bleach. I got some white clothes that need to be washed. to him, would you wash this with the colors or the whites? Because I don't want my shirt getting dingy, but I'm not bleaching this. My battery dying, y'all. Hey y'all, so last time y'all seen me, it was 5 a.m. and my battery was dying. Also, I was washing clothes. I need to check on them. I haven't checked on them. I was asleep. Oh, okay, yeah, they in the dryer and they dry. Stop playing. Y'all, I got some stuff to do today though, because I told y'all I started this video getting ready for Valentine's Day, not get ready to move into my apartment with me. Nothing was packed. Boo, nothing was packed. That was not the plan. But we got to get back on track while still doing this other stuff. So today we are going to Amari's house to get some more stuff of his. As well as that, I have packages that came, but they came to Amari's house, so I got to get that. I got some cluster lashes. I got some press-on nails that are there. I have my whole wig with all of the products in order to do them. Mind you, I've been braided down for days. Y'all, look at this one. Because why the freak was the 6 on this side and this the 6 one on this side? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
It was at this moment that he knew.
It wasn't gonna be that small though, so get up out my business. How about that? But yeah, y'all. Okay. Anyways, I just came in here to get my stuff out the dryer, and then I'm gonna go in the room, start cleaning up a little bit. And Amari gets off work at like 2 o'clock. What time is it even now? Y'all, the oven say it's 11:02. Is it? It is 11:34 actually. That's even worse. But you know, this is what my room looking like. Y'all see my bathroom. Closet is even worse. We finna try to get some of this stuff together, but we're not gonna be able to get it all together because I don't have no furniture or nothing to be putting my stuff up. So, and we're finna see what we can do. If y'all come in here and look, y'all see like these holes right here? It's so that I can put shelves. Thank you, Bookie. Because I was literally just in here looking like I can't stack the stuff on top of each other. How they just don't give me like a large amount of cabinet space, but you can't even utilize it because once you put stuff on the first row, like put stuff on the floor, it's not like you can just stack it. Like, if I'm gonna do that, I gotta keep everything in a box. Like, that's crazy. That's crazy because all my stuff is not in no box. So, really do like that. Definitely gonna inquire with Amari. Can you, Bob the Builder, handy mandy, whatever you gotta do, can you just do that so that I can practically use my space, please? Thank you. But yeah, I was just cleaning this cabinet out so I could go ahead and start putting stuff in there. Also, I gotta go through this because I really don't want to keep it, and there's not even no space in it in this bathroom for it. So I really don't even know what I'm gonna do with it. For now, I'm just gonna take all of this stuff out of, not all of it, but I'm just gonna start taking stuff out that I want to keep for sure and putting it in my cabinet. Y'all, I don't even know what this is the charger for. What the freak? That's a full set right there. That's 10 nails, Bookie. I didn't even have to order no press on.